I'm going to go ahead and make a jig that might actually work for somebody. I'll use my drill press, quote unquote drill press. I think every woodworker needs one of these. Anyways, I'm going to use this to make it. So I have to rotate it 5 times and that'll move it exactly 1 inch to my next spot. Open my way. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it back to 0 here. Right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. There we go. I think that looks really good. So you just basically want to center that. I'm just going to eyeball it. Okay, top. You just nail it there. 3-inch handle. You've got a jig for that. You've got for 4-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch.